Hi! Thinking about using Flex to split your rent into two payments in 2025? Here's what you need to know. Flex is an app that pays your rent upfront and lets you pay them back in two installments, one at the start of the month and the rest mid-month. Here are the pros. Flex helps avoid late fees and overdrafts. It is great for those living paycheck to paycheck. And lastly, it offers fast setup and works with many landlords. However, there are some cons. It's not free. You'll pay a monthly fee and possibly interest. Second, late flex payments still hurt your credit. Number 3, not accepted by all property managers. If your cash flow is tight and timing is the issue, Flex can be a lifesaver. But if you're struggling every month, it's a short-term fix, not a long-term solution. To conclude, is it worth it? For flexibility and short-term relief, yes, it definitely is. Should you leave it? You probably should if you're already drowning in debt. If this video helped you, hit a thumbs up and subscribe. Drop a comment as well if Flex worked for you or didn't. Thanks for watching.